the spring solstice today, and we're here at my wife's family the graveyard to go and what are we doing today exactly? We're going to just clean the gravesite and give flowers and pray.
Yes.
Okay. So here's a very interesting fountain. This area here in Nakano used to be famous for the soba shops, and back then all the soba shops would make their own soba flour from the soba. Soba is kind of like a wheat kind of thing. And so these are all the grinding stones, and these things down here too. And so I guess over the years they collected all these and they made this fountain out of it. Kind of cool. So here we are at the actual gravestone. This is where my wife's family's ashes are interned, and we're here today cleaning it and putting up new flowers and greens. And we also, these are these prayer sticks in the back, and we also removed a bunch of the old ones because we put in new ones recently. You can see that they're a lighter color. And so we put in flowers and the greens, and we give the whole thing a good wash. And then we light some incense, prayer incense things, and just maintain the gravesite. So it's a good thing to do. It's on the spring solstice right now. So that's the family crest, and what is it? And what does it represent? It looks like a flower or something?
Or maybe some kind of leaves of the tree.
Oh. So that stone there has all of the names of all the ancestors.
Yeah.
Of course, you can't see them now, the stone's all wet, but they're all written there, and of course in Japanese. Quite a few on there.
Quite full.
Yeah, quite
My
full.
mom told me that the inside is quite full.
Of all the cremated remains in their urns. Here we go, we're lighting the incense that we're going to leave here. And Erica this time brought incense, and it's coffee smells. Usually it's a green incense that I always joke smells like death because you always smell it at funerals. But Erica this time thought, you know, why wouldn't the ancestors enjoy some coffee? So we're bringing the coffee smells. The middle ones aren't going.
They'll go up.
No, they won't. So now we got the incense burning and the little incense burner thing there. It smells like coffee. So came and paid our respects.